If you want to download CapCut on PC for free without Bluestacks, this video is going to walk you through the safest and easiest methods step by step. I'll show you how to get CapCut directly on your Windows computer using the official website, and I'll also show you the Microsoft Store method as a clean alternative. This way, you can avoid cracked installers, sketchy websites, and any third-party adware risks. Before we start, make sure to hit the like button if this tutorial helps you, and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Now let's jump in. First, open any web browser on your Windows PC. You can use Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or whatever browser you prefer. In the address bar, go to the official CapCut Tools page. The important thing here is to make sure you are on the verified CapCut domain so you are downloading the real installer and not some fake copy from a third-party site. Once the page loads, look for the Download for Windows button. This is the option that will fetch the official installer file for your computer. Click that button and wait for the download to begin. In most cases, the file will be called capcutsetup.exe, and it should save to your downloads folder unless your browser is set to save files somewhere else. After the file finishes downloading, open it from your desktop or from your downloads folder. If your browser shows the file at the bottom of the window, you can click it there too. When the installer opens, Windows may ask for permission to make changes to your device. If that happens, click Yes to continue. Now you'll see the CapCut setup window. At this stage, carefully check the box to agree to the terms and service agreements. This is a required step before the installation can continue, so make sure you read it quickly and confirm that you're comfortable proceeding. After that, click Install Now. CapCut will automatically unpack the files and install the software on your PC. Depending on your system speed and internet connection, this may take a few moments, so just let it finish without closing the window. Once the installation is complete, launch CapCut. The first time you open it, you may see an automatic environment testing process. This is completely normal. Just wait for it to finish, because the program is checking your system before it starts up properly. After that, CapCut should open and you can begin editing right away. If you prefer an even simpler and more secure method, there's also the Microsoft Store workflow. This is a great alternative because it lets you install CapCut natively on Windows without manually handling installer files. To do that, open the Microsoft Store app from your Windows 10 or Windows 11 taskbar. Once the store opens, use the search bar at the top and type CapCut. When the official app appears, click Get or Install. Windows will then securely deploy the software on your system through the store, which is another safe way to avoid unwanted software bundled with unofficial downloads. Either of these two methods will get CapCut running on your PC for free, without Bluestacks and without the risk of using cracked software. If your main goal is to edit videos smoothly on a desktop, the official installer method and the Microsoft Store method are both reliable options. A quick tip before you go. Always verify that you are downloading from CapCut.com or Microsoft.com. That one habit can save you from a lot of trouble, including malware, adware, and broken installations. Staying on the official source is the smartest way to install software safely. If this tutorial helped you get CapCut on your PC, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy walkthrough. Thanks for watching and enjoy editing with CapCut on your computer.